Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Polokwane City 0. Brother, how's it?
Sure, Brango.
Hey, tada. Your take on the game today?
Ish. As always, we are very disappointed.
Your age.
We are always disappointed.
Yeah.
We are always disappointed.
Not always. Ngile cup whatever. No. Hale celebrate ako won. You wanna feel ale shaba the age.
No, I was celebrating. My videos did all over internet. Yeah. No, what's about? I want to give Nabi a chance. Because Urobile record after 10 years. But personally, I'm just giving him just one season. And I believe Nabi will do good because Ufile every player a chance to play. Hauna mutasa bapala. Now Nabi kina kware a check lady analyzing tsa hae hore na o sesefa bomang because we need almost 8 players to go. We need new players. We need new players, especially strikers. You see, Papa Dinyena little bit in the game of blame Nabi because I don't understand why Abeile Serino Kantle, why Abeile Cheratseba Ntoeno General Chincha game, Villagas. I understand, but again, the guy also national team, Otaka experience. Otlaka confidence why mo be benche now o kenya motho o tseba ngwe hana goal a isale Morris
and also injury
the guy who cares to tlamaiswe mane kireke mana isitswe teng a lo rapellwa hore a gutla sharp because ntwe ke bona Morris u bapala sharp ke bona ka o lelekiswa ke kese fela mthaka the guy is good if I ka fumana batho ba good mo bala because o khona nka di run o na le speed o khona o dribble he is good just kese mo setse mogao o hloka o hlapiswa a kenywa ka a fie khotse 7 etswe madi abe sharp abe mnati next season ga tshepo tlatla le hantle and ke kopa management e ska tshabana ka chelete bra wa ka
ba release
la ba katima di bapadi tsena 7 million ena ba mpa ba reka batho banyana ba itrinyana di quality player we need qualities mo ha re hloke batho ba PSL South Africa mona re hloka batho ba na le experience ba tswambo overseas kwa this is Kaizer Chiefs Sundowns can dominate like this ka 57 fans se be re tlo le mala so no jena ona le ma Kaizer Chiefs a biza shebeletseng small team just because e bapala CAF we are here.
It's a big team.
It's by effect a big team. Ne re kopa di bapadi tsa Kaizer Chiefs le ba tlo kena next season. Ba ke ba be serious, ba ke ba be le hunger. Re a careful ngwana jwalo. Re a careful. Re kopa ba tle le experience eo. We need at least 2 cups next season. Because I get ba go flopisitse MTN. Jonna wa tsa ile ke bone tsa maka le first.
Ke bone bapala ya feta.
Ke bone tsa maka le first re.
No nothing.
MTN 80, the biggest team in Africa, Kaizer Chiefs. Resita cannot
twice in a row.
One goal.
Twice in a row.
One goal. Engwe ke na referee bra wa ka rentse ma
o tla loka ndati
referee ke na register ke penalty too. That was a clear penalty. Ke checkile evening after the game ka checka more the highlights. That was a clear penalty. Why ma? Penalty. Re tla ka di referee keletsene.
Aisa no o tla loka ntja di referee re kana ra lla ka tsona ke re last bar le winne ka referee hape. Today le
today why referees are police station ke tla potlakela teng
ya teng ya statement. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.